Hi, it's me, Disa. I just thought I'd show you. It's what is it? It's almost 3 o'clock in the morning. It's Midsommar afton, and the sun is going up. It was hardly down. It was down for maybe an hour or something, and it looks a lot darker than it is. I don't know why. It's that thing where my camera, maybe if I do like this. Well, it's daylight. You can't tell, but it's much lighter. I don't know, maybe you can see the sky. Well, the sky even looks darker than it is. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that it's our bright nights here, but from now on it's gonna start to get a little bit darker all the time. So in about a month it's gonna start to get dark in the nights again, but we really oh, now you can see how light it is. That's weird. Huh. But if I put it up there, it gets darker. Well then, now you can see how light it actually is. It's daylight. And we have this for about 2 months a year. It never gets dark. It's bright like this. Okay, I just thought I'd show you. I have a little tradition. I go out every Midsommar and take a picture of the sun going up and the sun going down. But usually it's more pretty than this. It's usually really pink on the sky and beautiful. So I'm a little bit disappointed in the fact that it's not. But you know, it has been great weather and we had a lot of fun. So I'm really happy about this. So anyway, bye bye.